players that Chris Paul wanted to play with, and they went from there. And they start getting this guy, that guy, this guy. It's just about being in a place where other players want to play with you, and it takes us one player, and another player, and another player. So DC is an unbelievable city. And obviously they have a young great player and some other pieces around them that they can build on. So it's just about being patient. It's about getting the right opportunity, the right piece. It can change around.
With this playing back-to-back games in a short season, how are you approaching this year different than others, knowing that it's a sprint this year?
Yeah, I'm just trying to do what I can to make sure that when I'm away from the game, as much as I can, my body will be healthy. Also get as much rest as possible. Just worry about the game. Don't worry about tomorrow. Don't worry about the night. We got a pretty deep team. We got guys that come in and really relieve minutes for us. So just don't worry about it. It's not easy. This is a tough season. The biggest thing for us is trying to stay healthy for every team in the league. We do that, we accomplish a lot just by staying healthy.
When you're in a situation like Wall, you're around a lot of other young players. How do you learn leadership in that type of context?
Well, first of all, you got to come from someone on the coaching staff to really set yourself a guy you can really learn from. Really be a mentor. Get with Sam and see how the way that he can win. But also, like I said, we got to study him. We got to do things to make sure that he's going to make them better.
You going to like him?
As much as pressure is, a lot of he's a good enough player to be able to handle it. He's a good kid as well, so I think he'll be fine. Once he keep that mentality, this is my franchise, and I got to make sure that I'm better.